Hey everyone, it's your 1 minute fitness break. What can you get done in 1 minute? Do you have a stability ball? You can bounce. Do a little core. So for all of you that have one of these balls at home, you know what? Sometimes it's as simple as just bouncing up and down on the ball. Because what you're doing is engaging the core and you're working your hips and you're still squeezing your glutes as you go up. I'm going to stop because that can be a little bit annoying. But you know what? If you've got one of these balls, you can just literally move side to side. You're working through your obliques, tilt your hips forward and back, working the rectus abdominis, and then you're also working the hips as you squeeze your glutes. As you go forward, you're squeezing, and then press your hips back. Contract, squeeze your bum, and press back. Side to side movements, right? You're working through the obliques and still strengthening your hips at the same time. And then when you want to break, you're just going to bounce. So overall, you're actually working through your core all the way around and the hips that are stabilizing. So if you have a ball and you're not sure what to do with it, sit on it when you're watching TV. If you're working at the office and you've got one, sit on it at your desk. You would see a huge difference in the strength of your core over time. Thanks guys, that's your 1 minute fitness break and we'll see you tomorrow.